to another mini tutorial from UPVC Space for Repairs. Today we're looking at the Gardinia 3D Euro rebate hinge for doors with a 9 through to 13mm rebate adjustment. Under normal circumstances you'd be looking to replace a damaged or a broken hinge on a door. So the first thing to do is to open the door. Usually you'll find a small grub screw which locates here, and as you unscrew that screw, that allows then for the pin which travels all the way through the hinge to actually be pushed out, removed, and then the door could come apart, exposing the fixing points for the hinge onto the door and also revealing the fixing points for the base plate to go onto the door. And we'll show you then now how to go about replacing that with the newer hinge, and we'll just take this one off in the meantime. So with the screws out, you can take off the part of the hinge that goes onto the opening door sash and also remove the part that goes onto the outer frame. That will really reveal a few holes, two of which are the locating pins which hold the hinge plate in place whilst you actually secure it. We'll now show you how to go about putting the new one back on the door. So we've taken the hinge out of the packet and disassembled it. We'll lay this part here and insert the long pin through there which comes with the hinge, and so that you can get a comparison to make sure that you've got this hinge set at the right position, what you do is offer the old hinge part onto the pin and hold it in position. And as you can clearly see now, these holes are out of alignment with these holes, and so as to rectify that, this is a multi-sized product, so therefore if you spin it round and line it up once more and bring the holes in line, now you can see that they follow through. That's the beauty of the adjustable hinge. In order to achieve your final adjustments, minor adjustments on the door, there's the Allen key adjuster here, and you can see there's a small cut on this side. That allows you to be able to identify just how far you've turned this screw, and by offering the Allen key in there and turning it through 180 degrees, that pushes this plate forward. That allows the adjustment. Now if you continue to turn it right through 360 degrees back to where it was before, the plate will be almost flush. There is further adjustment on these two screws here which allow the door to be taken side to side. Finally, when you've got the door in complete alignment and you're happy with it, that it's running completely correctly, the final screws can be offered into these two holes here and tightened up, and that will lock everything off, so you shouldn't get any movement at all on the hinge. And if you need further information, it would be advisable to go and look at the diagram which we have on our website. So we've removed the door sash now, and this is where the old hinge was placed. So if we mark the centre of the screw hole here and remove it, then we can bring in the new hinge and line that up with the centre of the adjustment screw, offering in then your two anchoring screws to hold the hinge in place, there are 2 more holes here which you can put the screws into as well. So you've got 4 screws anchoring the door sash, and then you will then offer into the existing holes the new hinge, and we've used brown here so you've got a contrast to be able to identify things. And now the 2 should be able to be offered together once you've got everything on, all hinges and all plates, and one at a time drop the pins in. And once you've got the pins in place and the plate anchored to the door, tighten up the small Allen screw, and that will hold everything in place, and it should shut perfectly. And thank you so much for watching.